In this quick lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play a really simple rhythm blues guitar section, and it should sound a bit like this. So we're going to be in the key of A major. So we're going to put our first finger, slide up from the 4th fret to the 5th fret of the 6th string, and then we're going to put our second finger on the 5th fret of the 4th string, and we're going to put our third finger on the 6th fret of the 3rd string, and we're going to slide those all up together. Should sound, and we're going to try and muffle everything else out with our finger. And then this strumming is where it's really important. So I'm going. So you can only hear the chord as there's quite a progressive. So you can only hear that chord. There's a lot of string muffling going on. Okay, the next chord we're going to play is that D major, or D7. And that is simply first finger on the 4th fret of the 4th string, second finger on the 5th fret of the 5th string, and then third finger on the 5th fret of the 3rd string. And you can put your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the 1st string, so it sounds like that. So we go. Now if we're doing it without the chords, we've got this. That's our rhythm. Let's add those chords in. Very simple. If you've got any questions or recommendations about this lick or something else, please use the comment section below. See you again.